Hi, I'm Chef Derrick. I'm here with Desireless, and I'm gonna go over a few ways to take your food photography to the next level. There's one thing to create a nice and awesome dish that tastes delicious and looks delicious, but not be able to actually display it to the world in the way that you want to. I'm gonna give you guys a few tips of how to take that beautiful dish and put it on the Instagram or put it on your website and showcase it in its most beautiful and artistic way, because that's something a lot of people don't know how to do. As a chef and a food photographer, I kind of have a little bit of the best of both worlds. I can cook the food, but also I know the right angles that you want to put your food at, the lighting and the positioning of food, how you want to have a diffuser, how you want to have your flash, so that way you can take the food photography at any times of the day. You can take it at nighttime, you can take it at morning. You're not really having to depend on that sun source. And also with this flash, it really allows you the opportunity to move your sun source around. Here, I have a tripod. This helps a lot. This allows you to have just a stable source so you're not worried about shaky hands. It sucks to have this beautiful dish that you put so much effort into and then you take the photo and it's a blur because you just might have jolted a little bit. You didn't feel it, but you just moved slightly. With this, it allows it to be stable, and it actually has a pretty cool C-stand that way that you can actually lift it up and produce overhead shots. So it'll kind of just display directly over top of your tabletops. This way you can do time lapses, recipe tutorials, just plain food photography with a little bit of action shots, have some hands in there just to really bring that photo to life. It's nice to have a photo where it feels real. You can see a little bit of a mess on the table maybe. You have the hands going in for a grab of the bite. And then with the umbrella, this diffuses. So it's one thing to have the flash. You need that flash, that light source, but you also want to diffuse it. This is what we just call an umbrella, and it just opens up, and it's basically a white diffuser. It's like a cloth that goes over it, and it just diffuses that light, softens it up a little bit so your shadows aren't so harsh, your lighting isn't so harsh. And those are just some of my tips to take your photography to the next level. You want to really display it in that beautiful way that you took all this time to cook it. Really just take these tips and apply them in different ways. Move your lighting around, maybe back your diffuser up a little bit. Move your tripod, try the overhead shots, try the directly 45-degree angle, have a hero shot. Just play around with it. It gives you a lot of opportunity with these little tips to go a long, long way.